Man shall redeem us. We had Malcolm X, Martin Luther King. You had even going way back, you had Nat Turner, Gabriel Prosser. You had all these individuals who tried to raise up and redeem us out of our captivity with no success, because only a divine power can deliver us from this. And it starts by turning us back to who we truly are, letting us know that we are the Israelites and we need to get ourselves right, apply God's laws, right? Stop killing each other. It starts with understanding that, guess what? A nation can't thrive in chaos. We can't thrive with gangbangers and murderers and drug dealers all over the place. We can't thrive like that. That's not us, a successful nation. Right. You understand? We got to have our women backing us in order, supporting us, and us men, we must get out here and edify our people according to the word of God.